I'm about to show you the style guide that I send to photographers, art directors, and videographers before I do a photo or video shoot for my clothing brand. I'll break down all of the key components for my brand specifically, and then I'll also break down this template that I created, which you can download at the link in the description, to make sure that your style guide looks professional. This is a ton of sauce related to my personal experience, so I'd really appreciate if you smash the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you. I have a shoot coming up for a collection that I'm calling Season 2. This is the deck. First slide is just the title slide. I have the brand's emblem in the middle, the name of the collection, and then the word confidential, because when I was sending this out over the last couple months to different art directors and photographers, I didn't want them sending it out. Now that I'm getting towards the launch of the collection and these videos in a way are like marketing or promo, I'm happy to share it. The second slide, I define the brand mission and I state my name as the founder. Third slide, I introduce what the inspiration for the brand is, as well as some of the culture related to the brand. Slide 5 showcases the logo in both black and white. Slide 6 showcases the emblem in both black and white. If you don't have an emblem, that's okay. Just keep the logo slide. Slide 7 defines the typography with a specific font for headlines and a different specific font for body and utility text. Slide 8, I house my color palette with hex codes. Slides 9, 10, and 11 have 3D renders for the products that I'm going to be releasing. If you don't have 3D renders, that's fine. I recommend just putting some iPhone photos of the garments that you're going to be taking photos and videos of on the day of your shoot. Slide 9, I have e-commerce photo inspo to give the photographer a clear idea of what I want my e-com product page images to look like. Next, I have a mood board for editorial photo inspo. Every editorial photo that I shoot for my fashion brand needs to look like it could be a glossy page in a luxury magazine. I have 10 photos here, and then I defined the art direction that I'm looking for. On slide 14, I include 4 images of Runway Inspiration from various runway shows. And slide 15 contains a mood board for the lifestyle and overall vibe. Shooting lifestyle images for fashion brands is essential for social media and connecting with the target audience. Also, if you have any plans of getting your brand in retail, usually they will ask for lifestyle photos before determining whether your brand is a good fit for their store or not. So that was my personal brand deck, and now here is the template, which you can download for yourself, link in the description. Slide 1, logo or emblem right in the middle. Slide 2, name of the brand is a brand by, then you put the founder's name. That might be you, that might be a colleague, whoever it is, just type it there, and then state the brand mission. Slide 3 is the culture slide. This is where you reference the culture related to your brand. Keep this very simple. Slide 4, brand story. This is best if it is a personal anecdote from the founder or creative director of the brand. Next is a logo slide. It's always good to have a white logo and a black logo. Next is the typography slide where you define the headline font as well as the body font. Next is the color palette slide. Just make sure you add the hex codes here as well. Slide 8, garment photo references. I like to put 3D renders here. Feel free to put just regular iPhone images of the clothes. Next is e-commerce photo inspo. The first image is a flat lay image, and then the next 2 are on-model images. Next slide, editorial photo inspo. An editorial photo needs to look like it could be a glossy page in a luxury magazine. I recommend including 10 images, and then explain the art direction that you're looking for. Next slide, runway inspo. I typically keep this simple, just 4 images of models walking in a runway show that inspire me. And then the last slide is the lifestyle or vibe slide. 10 images again, with some brief descriptions at the top. So that's it for this video. Make sure you download this template at the link in the description. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future video, please leave a comment. Smash the like and subscribe buttons if you found this valuable and want to learn more about these types of topics. I'll see you in the next one.